Hi guys, I'm in the city of London and I wanted to have a look at this little exhibition that you'll see behind me and give you a bit of footage of city of London. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Let's have a look around. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Hannah and this is a new video in my London vlog series. And we are starting at Liverpool Street station in the city of London. Walking towards the Gherkin here, guys, and right in front of me is St. Helen Bishopsgate, which is a really old church dating back to the 12th century. It was substantially restored back in 1995 after it was damaged from terrorist bombs in 1992 and 93. Of course, you guys, if you are in the city of London, you must go and have a look at the Gherkin. Definitely one of the most significant pieces of architecture in the city of London. It is stunning, stunning, stunning. I love watching these lifts in different colours going up and down. What do you guys think? Throughout the city you will find a number of sculptures, this white tree being one of them. There are maps all over the city where you will be able to pinpoint where the sculptures are and do a little sculpture trail. Walking up towards the Lloyds of London building, which is another must-see when in the city. It is likened to the Pompidou Centre in Paris and it was completed back in 1986, often called the inside out building because all of the utilities are on the outside, electricals, water pipes, etc., to declutter the building inside. The Lloyd's building, of course, is the home of the insurance institution Lloyds of London. These large escalators always mesmerise me. Aren't they just fantastic? So this is the exhibition that I wanted to see. All huge, larger than life bubble artwork. You can move around them and there's some ambient sounds. All colours of the rainbows. How gorgeous. Really enjoyed the giant bubbles, guys. What did you guys think? Yeah, it's a little bit different and a nice in situ type installation in the City of London. I love the colours and I love the way that you could see the buildings through the bubbles. Kind of cool, right? And if you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, please give it that little thumbs up love. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you could, because I'm trying to grow my little channel here on YouTube, so I really need your help in doing that. Thank you so much, guys. And if you're a current subscriber, you're the best. Thank you for watching. Just a little look back at the Gherkin. I love that building, guys. Yeah, and now off to Leadenhall Market. Here we are, the beautiful Leadenhall Market in the city. Let's have a look around. Leadenhall Market, it dates back to 1321 and it's been here for a long time. It was also part of Roman London and it was originally a meat and poultry market. This was the heart of the Roman Londinium, and underneath the cobblestones here, guys, are the remains of the Forum and the Basilica from Roman Londinium. I would definitely recommend that you visit Leadenhall Market. There are some nice places to have a bit of lunch or dinner, and yeah, the architecture is really worth a visit. Obviously this is a Victorian building and the arches I think are beautiful, and the colours too. What do you guys think? Tower 42 and spotted a few more little sculptures. So yeah, let's have a little look at those. This little oriental looking building has always intrigued me. Last stop, Broadgate Circle, which has its past as a Roman trading outpost and is now the centre for a lot of food and drink for city workers, and it's particularly nice, I find, in the summer and the springtime, because there's a lot of opportunities to sit outside. So yeah, why not check it out if you are in the city. There's always new buildings coming up in the city, and here you can see some of the quite impressive construction work happening at the minute. And Liverpool Street station lights, time to head home. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it that thumbs up love. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It would mean the world to me. And if you have got any ideas for video content that you would like to see, please put it in the comments below. I would be delighted to hear from you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a fabulous day and see you in my next one.